Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM from Ruined to Refreshed. PJ here, and in this episode we're going to be doing a DMC challenge, which is the Any Forces vehicle. And I have noticed that looking back on the back catalogue of things I've done, I've not actually done a Forces vehicle before. So I've got one in mind, and the one I'm going to be doing is the Commando Jeep, which is the 612. So let's have a look what we've got. Not a lot. We've got the body, chassis and the wheels, and that's it. So over a period of time I've been collecting the parts to go with this, and in my little box of tricks here we've got all the add-ons that should be bolted onto the Jeep. So let's get it disassembled. It's not going to be a tricky one, this. In fact, I'll do it on screen, I think. We won't cut to another scene, so let's move the book out of the way. All it is are two rolled pins. You might just be able to make out the gap in the pin there. And all I'm going to use is a nail remover to just ease the axles off. So we'll do that. And then inside, or below the axles, we've got a couple of screws holding the base and chassis together. So let's quickly whip those off. There's one. And two. Oh, and there we go. It drops to bits. So there's the tub, there's the chassis, there's the windscreen. It doesn't have a windscreen as such, because the once the guns are fitted, they go over the top of the windscreen, so there was never any need to put the glass or plastic glass inside. So one thing I am going to do, or try and do, is to save these decals. There's a registration there, a little sticker there. I don't even know what that one is. Looks like somebody's added these afterwards, but I might put them back on. So there we go. The US Jeep, the 612. We'll get these axles cleaned up, get the tyres off and the wheels cleaned up. What else? Yeah, we'll clean the axles as well and give this obviously a new coat of army green. I think it's I've got a Tamiya spray can for a change instead of using an eye coat on this one. So let's crack on, and I'll catch you in a mo. Cheers. So, welcome to the reveal, folks, of our Dinky Toys 612 Commando Jeep. Fun little build, this one. Not a lot to it. Body, shell, they're all together with 2 screws, so there was no post holes to drill. We're able to ease the wheels off. They're on split pin axles, so we're able to ease them off quite easily. Just be gentle when you're doing it. We had to get a number of spare parts, the guns, the cans, jerry cans, and the aerial, even the steering wheel and the little chap. So there was not much that we didn't have to get, really. But it's come together quite nicely. I've painted the springs on the axles black just to make it stand out a little bit, and the headlights I've gave a coat of silver paint. I haven't used chrome this time. And to finish it off, we've added some new stickers. I was going to try and use the old ones, but they're a bit mangled, to be fair. So I've updated them. So this Jeep is more of a collector's Jeep. So I've put a US, UK badge on there. Created a new number plate and some other paraphernalia. So there you go. The 612 Dinky Toys Commando Jeep. I'd like to thank everybody for taking part on the DMC Facebook page. The events seem to be taking on their life of their own now, and we're getting more and more people sign up and take part. Even if they haven't got YouTube channels, we feature still images in our gallery video on the DMC YouTube page. So as I say, thanks for watching. Thanks to the guys for taking part. And this is PJ signing off, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.